The Flamingo Bamboo Pavilion was first used as an indoor exhibition pavilion in order to promote resorts and a tourism fair. Because the time for the fair was short, the client required architect to design a pavilion which is low cost, made of light material, easy to transfer. It should be convenient to disassemble and reuse many times. At this circumstance, bamboo is the best solution, which is traditional material, very popular in Vietnam. Bamboo is also eco-friendly material. Although the weight is light, but the strength of bamboo is very high and easy to be constructed by low-skilled workers. Not like steel, curved bamboo pole is inclined to straighten when standing alone. It is difficult to build with curved bamboo fast and accurately. Therefore, we have to use curved steel pole in this case. The main structure of the pavilion consists of 4 ruled surfaces which are symmetric in the front and side elevation. The curved steel poles play the directrix role while the straight bamboo play the generator of ruled surface. This combination creates the look of a bird's wings, with which the client was very satisfied because their resorts are recognized and named Flamingo, the name of a wading bird which is famous for their bright pink feathers. After being reused in many exhibitions in various places, the client wants to reuse this structure in their resort. They asked the architect to add the roof to turn the pavilion into a small, open space area in harmony with the beautiful natural scenery of a resort in the north of Vietnam. The building has a function as a bar which is located next to a swimming pool and a restaurant. Despite of the small size, the Flamingo Bamboo Pavilion demonstrates the versatility and reusability of bamboo materials in properly designed